Removing a popcorn ceiling is a very messy job, but a pretty easy way to make your home look more modern. Here's how to do it. Step 1, make sure to have your ceiling tested for asbestos. You can have it done professionally, which I highly recommend, or you can do it yourself by purchasing a testing kit. If you do it yourself, make sure you follow the instructions and stay safe. Step 2, tarp off the room. This is a messy job, so make sure to clear out as much furniture as possible and then tarp the walls and floor. Also, opening up a window to bring in some fresh air helps. Step 3, work in small areas by spraying water on the ceiling. You want the popcorn ceiling nice and wet, but not the drywall underneath. Let the water sit for about 10 minutes and then scrape off with a metal scraper. This is why you want to tarp off the room. Finally, step 4, sand, prime, and repaint. As you can see, this is definitely a do-it-yourself job, but needs a lot of pre-planning.